Hey guys, so we are back again. Dr. Adarsh, say hi.
Hello guys.
So we are back again with a full face male sculpting today. And today's patient is a very dear patient. He's come all the way from Gujarat. He's previously taken his acne scar treatment from us. And now finally we are doing his facial sculpting procedure. So sir, आप भी खुद बता दीजिए कहाँ से हैं आप?
अहमदाबाद।
ओके और आप सिर्फ अपने प्रोसीजर के लिए आए हैं यहाँ पे?
यस यस।
और क्या करा चुके हैं आप पहले एंड आर यू सैटिस्फाइड विद द रिजल्ट्स?
यस पर मैं सेटिस्फाइड हूँ रिजल्ट से।
ओके डॉक्टर आदर्श, आप क्या करें? हाउ इज मेल स्कल्पटिंग डिफरेंट फ्रॉम फीमेल स्कल्पटिंग एंड व्हाट आर वी डूइंग राइट नाउ?
So, in this patient, in the previous sessions, we did acne scar treatment. They were generalized combination of rolling and box scars on both of his cheeks and temple area.
राइट
And we did 2 or 3 sessions. Now he has to visit outside India. So, we can't continue further sessions. So, we did polylactic acid fillers like Sculptra and all on his cheek area for more and more collagen formation. And right now we are doing lower portion of face for means jawline area. There is a big asymmetry on his face. One side of his mandible or lower portion of his face is in a longitudinal portion and another side is more over tilted. So there is not an asymmetry. There is not a symmetry on both sides of the jawline. So right now we are doing jawline fillers, Restylane lift specifically. So our first priority is to remove the asymmetry of the face, and then we will enhance the jawline angle at the angle of the mandible. We will enhance the jawline area along with the chin area, and
डन दी मार्किंग्स
also we have created some enhancement in his cheek area and his temple area. So there will be a more masculine look from his cheekbone, which is malar prominence, and then we will create enhancement in his angle of the mandible. So he will have a typical square shaped enhanced prominence of typical male pattern.
Right. So guys, I think that's all for now. So you got to know that it's not just females who opt for such procedures, but it is a very, very, very common procedure with males also. Even you will be amazed, even lip fillers is quite a common procedure for people who are not happy with the shape of their lips. Obviously, females की तरह नहीं shape किया जाता, उन lips को male pattern में ही किया जाता है. सेम वे जो चिन और जॉलाइन फिलर हम कर रहे हैं उसको हम मेल स्कल्पटिंग के तरीके से ही करेंगे, नॉट लाइक फीमेल्स. सो गाइज दैट्स ऑल फॉर नाउ. इफ यू गाइज हैव एनी क्वेरीज यू कैन डीएम अस एंड वी विल बी शोइंग यू द रिजल्ट्स वेरी सून. डॉक्टर आदर्श से बाय.
Bye guys.
बाय बाय.